ஃபைன் கெஸ் வெல்கம் பேக். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவில் வந்து நம்ம வந்து போன வீடியோவில் ஸ்ட்ரிங் முடிச்சிருக்கோம். சாரி ஸ்பீக்கிங் தமிழ். We have completed string, right? So in the next this coming video, let's talk about the next collection, which is set. Now set is primarily basically unique values you can store in a set. So duplicates will not be there in a set. Let's see how we can create a set. I can say my set, and the syntax is my set within brackets, flower braces we need to have. Like if I'm going to have like this, then 4 will come only once. The duplicates will automatically be eliminated. Not only that, the order in which I've written is also not going to repeat. I will have it in different order. Unordered, basically, what we call this. There has come 1, 2, 3, 4, but let me have it one more time. Fine. This time it is coming in order, but let me just have a little change here. Let's have like this. Let's see. So the order is not there. Okay. The worst part is it is coming in ascending order, which is also not guaranteed. So let me have in between something 6. Okay. Okay. Perfectly it is coming, but believe me, it does not follow any order. It has nothing to do with any order. Fine. It's basically unordered. It's our luck that it's coming up perfectly, but it's not guaranteed. So a number of times if you run, you will get in different order. Let's run it last time. Otherwise, we'll move on. Okay, perfectly it has come. But when we want this to be in order, it won't come. Anyway, it is completely unordered, and we really can't determine in which order it's going to come. And second thing is we cannot have duplicates in this. So duplicates are not allowed in a set. Got it, guys? Is that clear? Okay. Apart from this, set also has many methods which you can make use of. Like for example, there is a method called add. So you can say here my set dot add of let's say 999. Let's see what happens. Now it's not in order first. Okay, 999. Actually, it has got added in the end, but it's not coming at the end because it's unordered basically. Apart from this, you also have a method called update. So you can say update, one method is there where you can something you can add, and I've just updated it. Now if you run this, see in different ways it's coming. Okay, but 30, 40, 50 is coming. Okay, anyway, so here we have done like this. Is that making sense? So I can also call this update, and apart from this, an update can also contain a list and a set, and you can make it as a two-dimensional thing also, which we saw in the earlier list collection and tuple collection. We have seen like that. Okay. Apart from this, you have some more methods. You have discard, you have remove, very important two methods. Now, there is a difference between discard and remove. The only difference between these two methods is when you call the remove method, and if that data or object is not present, it will throw you an error. For example, let's say I'm saying my set dot remove of let's say 980. 980 is not there, correct or not? This will throw you an error saying that there is no 980. But if I'm going to say 999, 999 is there. This will remove that, as simple as that. This will remove, and if I try to print, it will print without 999. But how about discard? So if I'm going to say my list dot discard, my set dot discard of 980, fine. 980 is again not there. Now this will not throw an error. This will not throw an error. But if I give a value which is there present, like for example 30, and if I'm going to say print my set, it will also remove that particular value 30 from that particular collection. Got it? Next. You know very well, in our 10th standard state board, Tamil Nadu state board, when we had this and this we called as Venn diagrams, and these are like problems which we solved in our 10th standard. So we got something called as no two circles, and if they are intersected, they are joined, we have something called as union operation, intersection operation, conjunction operation, difference operation, like that we perform. Correct. Here also, since we are talking about set, we can do all these operations here. See, we have defined one A set, one B set. This is A, this is B. So if I'm going to say A, pipe symbol B, that means both the whatever values you have in A and B will get listed. But if I'm going to say A and B, the intersection point it will display only this intersection point. That means when what is it? 1, 2, 3 is here, 4, 5, 4, 5 is in both the places. So that will be displayed. And in case of difference, fine, then you can say A minus B. A minus B is fine, only that A part will be displayed minus B. Even the one which is no getting into B will be omitted. Shall we try this out? Fine. So let's say A equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, B equal to fine 4 comma 5 comma 6 7, 4 5 6 7. So 4 is the intersection point. So if I'm going to say print A or B, this is going to print all complete. Okay. And if I'm going to say print A and B, it is only going to be print the intersection point, that is 4, right? And then print A minus B. This is going to print only that A without B. That is 1, 2, 3 will be printed. Okay. There is also one more thing. A, fine, this one, this symbol. Okay. Conjunction we call it as 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That means except that is the mid part is omitted and the rest of the parts are displayed. So these are the four operations you can do fine on sets. Is that simple? Fine. So different mathematical operations, if you want, you can perform and read the values. Got it, nice. Okay. Apart from this, these are the other methods you got: copy, clear, difference, main intersection. Fine. I'm sure definitely you can make use of this. So I would request you to work on this. So this is one way of working on it, or you can also say intersection, fine, or difference. That is also same operations it will perform. Clear, copy, and all you can understand. It will create a copy of the set, or clear will clear the set. So I hope like you yourself can work on this and experiment these things. Okay. Next, dictionary. Dictionary, primarily, if you have a key value pair, we call that as a dictionary. It's a set with a key value pair. So the key and the value is separated by a colon, and the key value is separated by a comma. So here you have something. Fine. Let's try this out. Apart from this, there are so many methods. All is there, any, len, sorted, clear, keys, value. So many methods are there. This also you can very well experiment. If I'm going to my dictionary equal to, you can say like this within flower basis only, 10 colon, fine, let's say Ramu, comma, 20 colon Somu, comma, 30 colon, fine, Monu, comma. So here I have created a dictionary. So if I'm going to run this, I can see it. So these got several methods. That's what we have specified here. Print, fine, you can say length of my dictionary. This will tell you how many key value pairs are there. Apart from this, you can also say print, fine, sorted of dictionary. You can sort the dictionary. Let's say here I have no, I mean 50 colon June. Sorting everything will happen based on the key, not based on value. See, 10. So this sorting. Directly also I can get the keys. I can say print pen keys, my dictionary dot keys. So this will return you the keys. So sorted way it gives like that. Okay, guys. So values will return values. Values will return values. Apart from this, given a key, you can also get the value. My dictionary of 20. If you are going to give like this will return you the value. Okay. So dictionary is also quite useful. We do make use of this in several places. Got it? Is that clear? So that's all we have with respect to this chapter, guys. So all we have done is we have completed collections here. So two chapters, we have two videos we have created on collections itself. Thank you.